all-time low around Cydonia.
What do you mean there's no work?
Yeah, do you have any... idea how far we've traveled? How much money we spent to hitch a ride to this dusty red road?
The miners pretty much run the lower levels here.
Look at this place. I can't imagine being cramped down here, choking on the fumes and the dust. No trees, no grass.
Yo, hey, what's up?
It's
You looking to
depressing.
do some shopping here at the Trade Authority? I'm Manaki. Feel free to ask me anything and I'll do my best to help you out. Man, sorry, I can't really say that. Really, they told me not to say anything like that because rumors, you know? All I know is that we're running a business here, and I was told to take in all trades and sell whatever we've got. And listen, I'm not gonna worry about anything other than that. Yo, stay good out there.
Subterranean particle detonation imminent. Be advised to secure loose articles and find stable ground or remain seated in the event of unforeseen tremor. Detonation occurs in 5, 4, 3, 2.
Got something on your mind, love? Then spit it out.
Hey, welcome to the Cydonia Trade
It
Authority.
is now safe to resume.
How goes? I swear that warning klaxon still startles me every time.
Have you checked your air filters lately? The city of Cydonia recommends checking your filtration unit every 2 weeks for old, faulty, or improperly fitted filters. Martian dust is a leading cause of respiratory illness. Remember, keep it breathing so you don't get wheezy.
That's mine! Give it back! What do you think you're doing?
You're under arrest. No sudden moves. Smart move. Now come along with us. We'll take any contraband and stolen property, and you'll be free to go.
Well, well. Look who decided to rejoin the world.
The community center on P1 is a good place to connect with others, or fulfill any spiritual needs you may have.
How's the saying go? Show no mercy.
nothing like living under the light of our original sun.
Comment ça va?
Invoices can be collected from the... Oh. Not here for a delivery, are you? Do you now? Well, I do wish I could help you, Captain, but Dr. Walker has been missing for some time. A shame, too. We had such high hopes for Percival. I brought him on myself to do medical and biological consulting around. Not the sort of work the Trade Authority traditionally does. But we thought it had the potential to become a whole new type of revenue stream for our branch. I invested no small amount of personal capital into the endeavor. But then, I presume the miners have him hidden somewhere. Plenty of cracks on this old rock. But at this point, it's... That's correct. We're no longer interested in Dr. Walker's services. He did leave his post, however, with a sizable debt to his name. If you were to find him and get him to pay...
Oh, I loathe the Trade Authority. Is it absolutely necessary that we have to help them? Oh, I can't believe you're helping them. What a stupid waste of time.
Wonderful. I suggest paying a visit to the Sixth Circle, what I suppose is technically a bar on the lowest level of the city. If anyone knows where Percival is, the miscreants there would. But I would urge caution. They're not a group known for their hospitality.
Graffiti and other street art is not tolerated per Cydonia City Ordinance 5.82. Failure to comply with this ordinance will result in fines not exceeding 5,000 credits or 100 hours community service. The Office of Governor Hurst would like to remind all Cydonia citizens to do their part to keep Cydonia clean. Subterranean particle detonation imminent.
Broken Spear's upstairs. Go drown yourself there. This bar's for devil's vets and their kin. Doc Walker? You're barking up the wrong...
Andy. You. Why don't you come here and tell me what some fang god captain wants with
The Red Devils aren't exactly your average bar crowd. You can see it in their eyes. We don't belong here.
Stray topsider wanders into my bar asking after a man like Percival Walker. Raises questions. What do you want with him? What? Someone give him the keys to a battle cruiser? Look, you can make up whatever crazy story you want, but you should forget about Percival.
You can spare us the performative stonewalling. We simply need a moment of his time, and you needn't hear from us ever again.
And you're someone I should trust, huh? Why?
I'm UC military. Retired. Can give you my gene tag code too if you'd like.
Not necessary. But look, even if I decided I was going to help you get in contact with Dr. Walker, Percival made himself scarce for a reason. His debt to the Trade Authority. But if someone resolved that debt, well, Percival wouldn't have to hide anymore. Can bet that person would make a friend out of... Red Devils were the meanest Marine unit the UC Navy ever had. Couldn't get in if you hadn't done at least one stint as a Martian Dusty. That's why they chose us as the handler. Percival, though, he wasn't a grunt like all of us. But it was those monsters that did us in, Red Devils included. Well, most straightforward way to take care of this debt would be to just saunter up to the authority and pay him. Of course, rumor is the Trade Authority keeps all their record. If someone...
Making that adjustment would be illegal. I don't think this is a road we should travel.
And, one soldier to another. Cydonia's full of old utility tunnels and crawl spaces. Wouldn't be surprised if there was one that let out right into the... say, with an entrance. Me? Nah. Monsters from the Armistice hurt us more than most, but... Yeah? And I look forward to hearing the good...
Seek your local Marine recruiter if you wish to sign up for
Guard, come here.
Yes? What? Pardon?
Heard you talking with Lou, so you're going to help Dr. Walker? Oh, no, I mean, I've got my suspicions, but look, you're planning to help Percival, right? Yeah, sure. Listen, I know how you can do it without having to resort to any B&E. Mars is full of it. People think it's just garbage, but Percival and I, we've been working on some... at least when he wasn't slaving away at his Trade Authority contract. But we stumbled on a way to make it useful and profitable. You give our research over to Octai at the Trade Authority, it should more than cover Percival's debt. That guy's always looking for an angle. Yeah, it does. It would be. We were never able to finish the research. Spacers moved in and ran us out. Started setting up
Oh dear. I believe I see where this is leading.
But if you can clear them out, I can walk you through how to finish the research. Then you can give it over to the jobs come back. Great. So access to the deep mines can be found. We'd set up right near the main. Once you've managed that, phone up here on the com. Wouldn't put it past the Authority for a second to have clued off the spacers to get back at us.